Today I prepare chocolate ladoos for my school activities. It is very tasty. Yummy. Today I have made this yummy chocolate balls. You can learn with me. The good thing about this recipe, you can use any kind of biscuits. Just grind them and follow the same process. Add a little chocolate syrup. Don't add much of it. Mix it very well. I am making this yummy chocolate balls with just 2 ingredients. Adjust the ingredients as per your taste and include dried fruits also. Use butter or ghee in your hands. And then you can make balls from your hands. Press the mixer with both hands. Put the prepared ladoo in a bowl. Similarly, prepare the rest of the balls. Garnish with dry fruits. Serve this yummy and tasty ladoo. Very tasty homemade ladoo, yummy!